Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the importance of a sofa in the living room. A sofa is often the centerpiece of a living room, and for good reason. It's not just a piece of furniture, but an essential part of your home that serves multiple purposes. Firstly, a sofa provides comfortable seating for you, your family, and your guests. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day at work or school. Whether you're watching your favorite TV show, reading a book, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee, a sofa offers the necessary comfort and support. Secondly, a sofa can bring people together. It's a great place for families and friends to gather and spend quality time with each other. From movie nights to game nights, a sofa provides a comfortable and cozy setting for socializing and making memories. Thirdly, a sofa can serve as a workspace. With the rise of remote work and online classes, many people are now working and studying from home. A sofa provides a comfortable alternative to a traditional desk and chair setup. You can use the sofa to work on your laptop or read your textbooks in a relaxed and comfortable position. Finally, a sofa is a key component in home decor. It can set the tone for the entire room and tie together the overall style of your home. With a wide variety of designs, colors, and materials, you can choose a sofa that fits your personal style and complements the rest of your furniture. As you can see, a sofa is not just a piece of furniture, but an essential part of your home. It provides comfort, brings people together, serves as a workspace, and enhances the overall decor of your living room. Thank you for watching our video on the importance of a sofa in the living room. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and ideas.
Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.